RF Frontend in Germany is the place to go for the design and production of special-purpose electronics for industrial use. Their services range from sensors for industrial machines and systems to wireless communications, including the development of antennas, and power electronics for growing synthetic diamonds in a plasma reactor. The RF Frontend team are able to draw on a wealth of specialist expertise and many years of experience and collaboration in a wide range of projects in fields such as industry, e-mobility and aerospace. Prototypes are made completely in-house, giving customers a decisive competitive advantage with a high-speed development process and designs that are closely aligned to production requirements. From layout and design, production of the printed circuit board, both manual and automatic, as well as highly miniaturized assembly, through to testing and measurement in production, they can provide everything you need and all from a single source. RF Frontend aims to develop a close working relationship with their customers. They see themselves as an extension of the customer's own team.